Boom! Leaves and tree. Ooh. Hello fellow adventurers, I'm Matthias from Bugs and Bears, and together with my girlfriend Doris, I'm traveling the world looking for the best wildlife experiences. We are traveling with a DJI Mavic Air. It's tiny, it's compact, it's just the perfect travel companion. We not only had the chance to film some spectacular landscapes, we also almost killed the drone 4 times already. Number 1 happened in a small kayak in the middle of the jungle. So we were riding our 2 kayaks. We also brought the camera, we brought the drone and a dry bag so nothing can happen. I'm going higher and I'm going higher. After about 15 minutes, the drone lets you know battery is low, so it has this annoying sound like beep, beep, beep. But you're up there and it's really nice. So you want to say like one last picture. When you wait for too long, it falls into sort of automatic mode where it just wants to land wherever it can. And it completely freaks me out. So I'm sitting in this tiny boat, I'm navigating the drone and I'm like, whoa, 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 shit, calm down, no, go up, up. Where is it? I just try to come as close as possible and I'm super scared because it's half meter from the water. I saw this small pier and I want to land it right there. I don't see anything because I'm super low and the pier is that high, and I just hear the drone got completely tangled in fishing line. And I'm untangling the whole thing, I'm checking. Nothing happened. Number 2, on a stand-up paddle in the mangrove forest. We spent like hours and hours, really beautiful. Again, we brought a little bit of equipment. Maybe there is a chance to also start the drone. The stand-up paddle board is super flat. For me it was the perfect surface to start it. I started, everything is nice. The problem is always the returning. The drone starts, teet, teet, teet. I take one last picture. Okay, I'm finished, come back home. So I press the return home button, it's coming down 200 meters, 150, 50 meters, and I see it on the map. It must be really close to our home point. What the heck, where is it? I can hear the sound. It's back there. I check it on the map and I realize it's returning to the same point where we started it and it was over there. Come back, please come back. And I'm floating so I cannot really navigate. And I have my sunglasses on. Look up to the drone. I look down, I look up, I look down, and boom, my glasses fall. Down, gone. There's no way in 2 seconds to put the remote control aside while not losing the drone in the back. The sunglasses are gone. I'm thinking about landing it again on the sub. There's just no way to land it there. You can just catch the drone from the air if you're used to it. You grab it, you turn it around and the motor turns off. So again, one time lucky on something floating on the water. Boats, stand-up paddleboards, kayaks, not the best idea. Number 3, in a palm forest in Shargo. So we were driving our motorbike and we found this beautiful palm forest. Then we found this huge pig in the middle of the palm forest. The sun coming from the back, so perfect spot. Looks really nice if the palm trees are close and you fly through them. We decided another thing, we want to try follow me. So the drone is tracking our position and can just fly behind us without you having to navigate it. After a small walk, we stop it. I'm checking the screen and I'm like, that's a nice picture, so let's move a little bit to the right. Boom! In a height of 4 to 5 meters, it would just crash into a palm tree. fall down into the floor. Shit, it's gone. At least some of the propellers or anything. Nothing happened. I think it survived. Again. And again it happened just 2 days after this. It's evening time, there is this long straight road. We're riding our motorbikes there. That's the perfect spot for flying sideways. Sideways, not the best idea. Doris is driving, I'm sitting on the back, having the remote control here. We checked that everything is clear, there's no trees, especially no palm trees, no houses. It's a little bit tricky to keep the same speed as the motorbike, to keep the motorbike centered of the frame. And we're like not really satisfied with the footage because yeah, you're constantly losing the motorbike. So let's try it one more time. And I set up the drone, I see it, okay, it's on the side. I check the screen, the motorbike is exactly on the center. I see it moving and I move the drone to the right and the motorbike is moving to the left. And I'm like, shit, I can't keep up with the speed, I'm losing it. I said, Doris, go a little bit faster. And I also push the remote control to the right and suddenly she disappears from the frame and I'm like really confused. So I push and go a little bit faster and boom, leaves and tree. Ooh, no, not again. That didn't sound good. I was going slow in the palm forest, but this time I was going like full speed to the side. And I was locating the position. There is a small house, there is a dog barking, pig in front of it, lying in mud, huge tree. So I'm checking the tree and I'm going into the mud and the dog doesn't really like it. So I checked the video. I see that it crashed in a tree. Somehow it went down and then I hear this humming. And I see it fell behind a pile of wood. And I grab it, I check it, the gimbal is moving. When we went back home we realized one of the propellers got a little bit damaged, so we just needed to change one propeller. Everything is still right. So that was the last time when we crashed it. Luckily already a couple of weeks ago. So after telling you everything about our 4 drone fails, I'm also giving you 4 things that you should avoid when flying a drone. Number 1, never fly using the display only. If you're flying low, not far away from trees, from houses, from obstacles, then always have a look at the drone and make sure there is nothing around. Number 2, take extra care when you're flying sideways. The DJI Mavic Air is really good in terms of obstacle avoidance and has sensors on the bottom, on the front and on the back. But no sensors on the side. It will just crash into anything that is in the way. Number 3, if you're on a kayak, on a stand-up paddle or on a boat, always remember where you started the drone, because it might happen that you have to use the return home functionality and you already floated a lot further away and there is no way you can come back. Try to stay in the same area. And number 4, and that's the trickiest one for me, always keep enough energy to come back home. The DJI Mavic can fly for about 20 minutes and that's really not much. The time passes by really quickly. Don't wait for the sound, come back earlier, use the come back home button and you're safe to go for any surprises that might happen during the landing phase. Alright, what are your drone experiences? How many times have you been worried that it won't come back, or have you crashed your drone already? Let me know in the comments section. Hit the like button if you enjoyed watching. If you are as passionate about wildlife and photography as we are, then make sure to subscribe Bugs and Bears. Also follow our journey around the world on Facebook and Instagram. See you on the next video and keep the adventure going.